Hello and welcome to our interview with Tracy. Tracy's been our poster child for our weight loss program. We're here at day 90 and I thought Tracy could just give you an update to what she's been up to.
Yes. Since I made the last video, I have been introducing new foods into my program and new supplements as well for the Metagenics. And so through this process, I've been leery because I've been afraid, I'm afraid I'm going to have an allergen that's going to make me blow back up again. But it hasn't worked that way, and I have continued to lose weight. The cool thing is that I have been healthy now for several months. I have been able to engage. I've been able to go back to work. I've been able to engage with my children in sports. And I'm not even to the weight loss part of the program yet. I've gone from a size 20 to a size 14, and they actually are loose. So that's pretty exciting. Health-wise, I am excellent. I am no longer where I was, in the hospital and needing surgeries and all of those different things. So by utilizing Vince's program and Teresa's acupuncture and Dr. Byers' chiropractic care, I believe that the overall natural wellness plan has been better for me to become not only healthy, but I am losing weight healthily and quickly. And I think that that is pretty much the gist. My daughter has since started the program as well. And several people have stopped me and wanted to know what I am doing differently. Because not only do I look like I've lost weight, but I look healthier. I no longer look ill, puffy, all the things that come along with being sick. My headaches are gone. And overall, just feeling a lot better.